Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SurveyMonkey and automate insights using AI. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To download SurveyMonkey, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type SurveyMonkey and hit enter. Once the search results are displayed, click on the official SurveyMonkey website link. On the homepage, locate the sign up or log in option at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, choose sign up to create a new one. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. After completing the sign-up form, click the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Now that your account is verified, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Create Survey button on your dashboard. Select a survey template or start from scratch based on your needs. Customize your survey by adding questions and modifying settings. After your survey is ready, click Collect Responses. Choose your preferred collection method, such as email or social media sharing. Next, to automate insights using AI, you will need to integrate an AI tool. Research AI tools compatible with SurveyMonkey that suit your needs. Once you've chosen an AI tool, visit its official website for downloading instructions. Follow the provided steps to download and install the AI integration. After installation, return to your SurveyMonkey dashboard. Look for the integration or setup option for the AI tool you installed. Connect your SurveyMonkey account with the AI tool by following the prompts. Once connected, you can set the parameters for data analysis. Configure the AI tool to automatically analyze survey results. Review the generated insights and customize reporting preferences as needed. Regularly check back on the AI tool for updates and ongoing performance. Now you are equipped to download SurveyMonkey and automate insights using AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.